Delun is a well-known professional abrasive manufacturer with 32 years and one of the most influential companies in Asia. Delun has workshop, laboratory, office, warehouse, and staff dormitory, covering a total area of 20,000 square meters. Delun continues to innovate. We set up R&D laboratory to ensure that the raw materials of the products meet Delun standards. The most important thing for the abrasive disc is the raw material. We use high-quality raw materials from Europe. After mixed, raw material will be fully integrated on a stable temperature and humidity strictly controlled with 24-hour. Fiberglass net is an important factor in determining the structural strength of abrasive disc, so we strictly control the quality of it. We have 20 advanced production lines imported from Europe, with a daily output of 250,000 pieces. The weight of raw material is strictly controlled by the computer. Delun can produce different sizes of abrasive discs, from 2-inch to 16-inch. We are proud of Delun, not only the production technology, but also every batch of products will undergo quality testing to ensure perfection, and we will never ignore any minor issues. Products can be assigned in Delun only after passing strict test. Before packaging, each product must pass strict testing. Only with absolute quality products can leave our workshop. The more attention we pay, the safer you feel when using it. Delun has complete product range. We also produce flat discs, wire cut brush, and other polishing products to meet various industrial polishing requirements. Totally new technology and better quality are adopted to produce more stable and durable abrasive disc, which can be used to various working environments. To make sure compressibility and high density, we use reinforced fiberglass net to strengthen structure. We fully combine bores and grains to achieve better cutting performance and prolong the lifetime. Safe, sharp, durable are advantage of our product. Delun products have reached the industry's top level in cutting, grinding, polishing, rust removal through continuous improvement and technological progress. Consumers can obtain higher quality product. It is suitable for cutting and grinding of metal, stainless steel, and alloy, and provides a solution for industrial grinding and cutting. Sharpness and durability greatly improve work efficiency and economic benefit. Delun focuses on the environmental friendly abrasive disc, which reduces dust and noise during working and provide protection. Delun has the most professional service team. They serve every customer from all over the world with a serious and responsible attitude, 24 hours to provide service, so that your order can be completely quickly and without error. Delun has passed MPE, ISO 9001, SDS, TUV certification. Delun is developing foreign trade business. Delun brand has exported to Europe, Asia, South America, Middle East, Africa, which is widely used in more than 50 countries, and with renowned recognition and favor from most of users at home and abroad. Welcome to join the Delun family. Delun, make your work easier.